I was just sitting out here potting up some jalapeno plants and putting them in 5-gallon buckets. And I got to thinking about something. If you're just getting started in container gardening, you don't need all of this stuff, like I have out here, the grow bags and the 20-gallon containers and stuff. 5-gallon buckets can go a long way for you. Now, granted, I purchased these. They were on sale at Walmart for $3.99 a piece, and I thought, hey, I'm going to jump on that for my peppers. But something I wanted to show you, I picked this up at my local burger joint. It's a 5-gallon bucket. Yes, that's how they get their pickles. They don't slash those fresh just for you on your burger. So the next time you run into your local burger joint, even some of the donut shops and such, a lot of their frostings and things like that come in a 5-gallon container. And of course, they're going to be food safe. All of these are HDPE, which on the triangle are going to be number 2. Obviously, this one for pickles is a number 2. Well, it's dirty, but it's a number 2, as you can see right there, HDPE. I've got a hole drilled in the bottom of this one because I'm fixing to do an experiment that I may or may not video. But again, if you're just getting started in container gardening, you don't have to buy all of that stuff. You can just get some 5-gallon buckets, either from big box store when they go on sale, or don't be shy. Ask the manager, hey, you got any 5-gallon buckets you're about to throw in the dumpster? If you do, I'll take them off your hands. They'll wash up. They do fine. A little Dawn soap, triple rinse them after you wash them out, and you're good to go. So, hope everybody's doing well. Y'all take care.